V-twin drag bikes. Hold on tight. Take a look at that wheelie. These things are quicker than you may believe. Stay with us in this video because we're coming. Whoa, big wheelie! Big wheelie! Did you see that? He almost flipped over backwards. That's right. V-twin motorcycle drag racing is all the rage. And as you can tell, we get a little excited. Those were some of our greatest moments. But what you gotta love about drag bike racing is it is open to so many eccentric, unique, individual motorcycles such as this one. How about a Honda Shadow? And this one's incredibly fast. We're gonna show you how this owner got this bike into the 9-second zone. Honda started creating the Shadows in the early 80s. It is their rendition of the American V-twin. It has a great power to weight ratio. They come in 45 degree or 52 degrees. They range from 125 cc's to a whopping 1100.
I need some directions. There we go.
But this one is one like you've never seen before. Stay with us in this video. We're going to tell you how he got into the 9s and how he plans to add nitrous oxide. Are you kidding me? A nitrous Shadow? Wait till you see this thing run.
You see a lot of diversity out here, and here's one that we don't normally see at the drag strip, but it is beautiful. A Honda Shadow. What's your name, sir?
My name's Steve Clark.
And where are you from?
I'm from Sevierville, Tennessee.
Tell me about your bike, and before I even get into that, I gotta say, why a Shadow at the drag strip?
It's what I had, and my buddy over there taught me into racing, and he said, man, racing is bracket racing. You got a chance, and actually I have. I've done pretty well on it.
Tell me about the bike.
Well, I bought it stock. It was used. It's a 2014, and I just did some simple upgrades. I put the Vance Hines exhaust on it and the Iron Cross air handler, and that's it. Air shift. Yeah, I added air shift.
How would you describe what it's like to drag race this motorcycle?
Steve knows that well because he turns on plenty of win lights. You can win on anything, that's for sure. We're going to see him in action here in just a little bit. But take a close look, guys. Gotta love it. In a sea of ZX10Rs and Hayabusas, one Shadow stands out.
It's consistent, but slow.
Where did you end up getting it?
I bought it from an employer.
Okay. Did you log many street miles on it?
About 3,000.
Oh, wow. You still running on the street?
Yeah.
Wow.
When I'm not racing, I'm riding on the street.
Okay. What do you like most about this motorcycle?
Well, now I have to say the air shift.
Take a look at this. What type of air shift are you running?
It's the MRE.
Now that's something where I imagine they don't come off the shelf for this bike. You had to do a little bit of modifications.
No, me and one of my teammates fabricated all the brackets for it and did the wiring, and once it just started clicking, shaved a bunch of time off my ET.
What is your best ET on this bike?
Best ET is 962.
Wow.
Bike's got a lot of personality, a lot of idiosyncrasies. They're fun, they're reliable. They stood the test of time with Honda. Let me know what you think. I think they're great looking bikes. Quite a contrast though from a 1000cc sport bike.
How would you describe what it's like to ride on the street?
Oh, it's great, man.
Could you compare it to any other motorcycles you've had?
Oh, the other thing I had was a dirt bike.
Really?
Yeah, and then 40 years later I get this cruiser.
There's a cruiser. How about that? Yeah. We got the cruisers in the house. So here's a good question for you, because we just saw two Harleys roll by. How does the Harley crowd accept you?
A lot of them think it is a Harley.
I noticed that. I mean, it really has a Harley-Davidson look to it. Beautiful. What else do you hope to do to this motorcycle?
Well, hopefully this winter I plan on putting nitrous on it.
Nitrous? Tell me about that.
I don't know. It's new to me.
Are you worried about blowing it up?
No, not with just a 30 shot. I think I'll be all right.
Okay. Gosh, well, this is an awesome motorcycle. Thank you so much for showing us. What's the reaction you get from others?
I really don't know. Probably some think it's a joke, I guess, because of my time, but it's bracket racing. Everybody has a chance.
It's not a joke when you turn on the wind light, is
That's
it?
true.
Thanks for showing us.
Thanks, Jack.
All right, let's watch this beast in action. Leave us your thoughts. Clark just misses a perfect light. He's deadly on the tree. This is a great bike. We want to know what you think. Would you ever drag race a Honda Shadow? And we see cases like this in drag racing. This is why I love this form of motorsport, is in an era and age where so much is cookie cutter, so much is the same. In bracket racing, you can come out with anything on 4 wheels or 2 wheels. As long as you're consistent, as long as you can cut a light, you can win. In fact, one of our friends, Brett Kepner, he used to win box races in a rental car. High dollar dragsters didn't care for that too much, but he had a system, he perfected it, he was consistent, and that is the great thing about this sport. It's an even playing field, and it is so cool to see a Honda Shadow out there mixing it up with the ZX10s and the GSXR 1000s and the Hayabusa. If you have any memories of this bike, if you know anything about this, let us know. One advantage it has over many Harley Davidsons is it's much lighter. It has a better power to weight ratio. This one's clean too. We can't wait till he adds nitrous. We promise you we will do an update on that. I'm not so sure how the Honda's gonna like a shot of nitrous, but as he said, just a 30 shot, nothing destructive. He's a big guy. So you got to believe if he can get out of the hole just a little bit quicker, spray that nitrous, who knows. What a great event. It was time for us to head to the airport, but we've got an opportunity for you to get shirts, and we got an opportunity to save you money, so check this out. Cycle Drag Universe, I have a big heads up for you. Many of you have commented on these great looking crew shirts that we have. I want to thank Pro Things. Jason Allen outdid himself. The look, the carbon fiber, the fit. Anyhow, Jason Allen from Pro Things has graciously made these shirts available once again. So if you would like to get one for a limited time only, the link is down below. All different sizes available, ladies' sizes available. Make sure you get on there and get your official CycleDrag.com crew shirt. They are comfortable. They are great looking. They are perfect to take to the races. Heck, there are some racers out there that want to put their whole team in these shirts, like my man Mike Shongris, Pro Mod Racer. That's certainly appreciated. If you do get one, make sure you post up a picture on Facebook of you in it and let us know what you think, guys. Thanks so much. Again, the link is down below to get your CycleDrag.com shirt.
Hey guys, this is WWE superstar Zack Ryder, and when I'm not winning championships or collecting action figures, I'm on YouTube watching Cycle Drag and going to CycleDrag.com. And also when you're on YouTube, go to the Major Wrestling Figure Podcast. All right, Cycle Drag on YouTube, CycleDrag.com.
Hey, Cycle Drag, you know we got your back. Come here for a second. Check this out. Brock's Performance Exhaust. Well, right now, if you go down below in the description, you will find a special link to save you money at Brock's Performance. Make sure you check it out. The link is down below. You can get your exhaust pipe and so much more. Ladies and gentlemen, the legend! The legend is here. How are you doing, sir?
I'm cycle dragging. That's what I'm doing. Cycle dragging forever and ever and ever.
You are the man. Sweep the leg, right?
Sweep the leg, no mercy, and cycle dragging.
Yo, what's up, guys? Gabe Tuft here, founder of Body Spartan Racing. We're about to pack up and head out to MSR Houston. Just want to give a huge shout out to Cycle Drag and Jack Corpella. The site's awesome. What they do is awesome. Jack is awesome. Go check them out.
Thank you, everybody, for subscribing to Cycle Drag on YouTube. Thank you for the likes, the shares, the comments, and thank you for also liking CycleDrag.com on Facebook. Share it with your friends. If you keep it growing, we're going to keep bringing you awesome stuff like this. Thanks a lot.
Share, comment, subscribe. You know if there's anything fast motorcycles, especially Honda Shadow V twins that run 9 seconds, we're in. Cycle Drag rolls on.